Max. Here, Maxie. Who's the good boy? There's the good boy. And here is Max's favorite thing. Milk-Bone dog treats. He can jump pretty high for one of these suckers right here. See? He likes them very, very much. Is that good? Is that good, buddy? Max. Max. Who's the good baby dog? Who's the good baby doggy? Hi, Max.